नमस्ते दोस्तों, सरल बात में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों, today our topic of discussion is lifestyle diseases. And to discuss on this particular topic, our guest today is Dr. Thomas Koshi. Dr. Thomas is a consultant physician, cardiologist as well as diabetologist. He is presently a consultant physician in Fortis Hospital, Mulund, as well as he is a CEO in Holy Trinity Hospital. Dr. Thomas is also working as an assistant professor on a honorary basis in Dr. Vasantrao Pawar Medical College, Nasik, and teaching to MBBS as well as MD students. Dr. Thomas is also a consultant physician in the Department of General Medicine in MT Agarwal Municipal Hospital, Mulund West. As I would like to welcome Dr. Thomas to discuss on the topic lifestyle diseases. Hello, sir. Welcome to our show, Saralbar. Sir, it is so nice to see you, and I can understand with out of your busy schedule, you have taken some time to talk to us. Thank you so much for that, sir. Sir, I would like to know something about lifestyle diseases.
Thank you for the invitation, ma'am. See, basically, when we the word itself is self-explanatory. Lifestyle diseases. It's basically those diseases or ailments which are primarily based on our habits, on our day-to-day habits. So it is not just one single disease. There are so many diseases in that. Diseases that are basically based on our day-to-day habits. Those habits which take us away from good health, and those habits which push us towards a sedentary or an unhealthy lifestyle. So those lifestyle diseases on our lifestyle.
So, sir, what are the most common lifestyle diseases in India?
Yeah. So it's a very good question, ma'am. Actually, the lifestyle diseases that we see in India are the same that we see globally, all across the world. If you go to any part of the world, the most common lifestyle disease that we see is obesity. That means, excess weight. Or what happens along with that, what you see is diabetes, hypertension, heart disease. Heart attack जो बोलते हैं ना, heart attack आ जाता है, and then strokes are very common. And then along with that, what we see is arthritis, we see respiratory problems, respiratory. And in lifestyle disease comes smoking and drinking also, So along with smoking and drinking comes lung cancers, COPDs, and the cirrhosis of liver. So all these are part of lifestyle disease, And basically what happens, sedentary lifestyle. We are all basically people with less of physical activity. So sedentary lifestyle creates more things. So these are all the common diseases, what we generally under a broad spectrum call as lifestyle diseases.
What are the side effects of lifestyle diseases?
Yeah. See, side effect is, basically what happens, I told you, one is sedentary lifestyle. We are all less physically active. Less of physical activity is there. And our eating habits have become very erratic. Basically, we eat all junk food. The junk food or unhealthy food, food that is less of nutrition and other things. So junk food is more common. And all this put together, what happens is it creates bad effect on our arteries. Our arteries start getting clogged, So what is called as heart attacks develop or strokes develop. Okay, heart attacks and strokes develop. Cancers have become very common. So all these have become very, very common because of these bad lifestyle habits that we have taken. So I told you in the beginning, lifestyle diseases means those habits which push us away from normal or a healthy lifestyle, and those unhealthy habits that we are taking in.
So what are the preventive measures one can take to prevent from these type of? Now, supposing a person is having a sedentary lifestyle, office में 8 घंटा 9 घंटा उसको बैठना है, there is no choice. So what should the person do to prevent himself from getting, attacked by the lifestyle disease?
Yeah, very true, ma'am. It's a very good question. See, basically, now last almost 30 years in practice. So people every time they tell me, Doctor Saab, time ही नहीं है, कि सुबह से लेके शाम तक, they have to, either train travel or bus travel and then go and work in the office for 8 to 10 hours in a thing. So they're very the same. What I usually tell them, suppose you're traveling by bus, stop one station ahead, and then you walk down that much distance. Okay, so basically, if you don't have time to walk, go a little early, catch a train which is 15 minutes ahead, and go walk that 15 minutes distance. Instead of taking an elevator, take the steps. So every time you want to do, so what happens this way, some physical activity is being done. And when you're in a sedentary or other job where you have a desk job, please get up after 45 minutes or the thing. Take a 5-minute break. Go for a stroll. Just washroom ke liye aise karke, go for a walk and come back. Even while you're going back, also the same way. Stop one stop ahead, and then utna chalne ka ye karo. So at least what happens, that much of physical activity starts. And basically, when we know that when physical activity is less for us, our diet also should be very cautious. We should try to avoid as much as possible of dairy products, or like butter, ghee, cheese, and all these things which we consume in variable quantities have to be reduced. And what we do is animal products also thoda kam rakhna hai. That doesn't mean vegetarian food is very healthy, because most of the vegetarian food that we get from our hotels are all it is a lot of ghee and butter and cheese, because paneer makhan wala bolo, but all soaked and tossed in butter and ghee and cheese, so that becomes very unhealthy. So food, we have to be very careful. Eat more of fruits, eat more of vegetables, keep less of animal this thing. Exercise, simple exercises, walking, which I think nobody can take an excuse that they don't have time to walk. And of course, other unhealthy habits, I told you, smoking and drinking. If that is there, it is in your hands. You can absolutely stop that. So because those also lead to cancers, cirrhosis of liver, and so many other problems. Heart attacks are very, very common in those people who smoke and drink very rampantly. So lifestyle diseases में जो change करना है हम लोग को, smoking and alcohol तो quit करना ही है हम लोग को, and start walking. Simple exercise. You don't have to pay any tax. You don't have to pay the gym fees or anything. Walk at your own leisure, at your own comfort. Not necessarily that आपका नींद खराब करके सुबह 3 बजे 4 बजे उठ के चलना है. You can do it in the evening also. You have a dinner and go for a light walk. So that is a good this thing. And eating more of fruits and vegetables. So this way you can prevent so many of these diseases that I told you. You can prevent it. Of course, maybe it may come after a little longer time, but you can have a little longer and a healthier life.
Diabetes, it is something genetic. तो किसी को है ऑलरेडी डायबिटीज है, तो वो भी तो एक लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज ही कहलाता है एक्चुअली. कैन इट गो अवे, मतलब एक बार हो गया है तो कैन वी कैन गेट आवर बॉडी गेट रिड ऑफ डायबिटीज, ऐसा पॉसिबल है क्या?
No, we cannot get rid of diabetes. We can have a good control of diabetes. So if you give a good control, what I have seen in practice, if a good control is as good as good cure. So if you have a good control. So see, most of the people, by the time they come to us, they already have so many of these lifestyle diseases. So what we generally tell them is, abhi it is enough and good time that you can modify yourself. जो भी आपको है ना, further damage होने से पहले you can correct yourself now. See, we know that we have made a mistake in this thing, that this is there. So correct your lifestyle now. If you are smoking, stop smoking. If you're drinking, stop drinking. You know that you're eating more of fried, oily, fatty foods. Control on that. Eat more of fruits, eat more of vegetables. Start walking. If walking was never a habit, start walking. Make it. I'm not saying that start walking 1 hour right from day one. Start with 5 minutes. That whole week you go for 5 minutes. Next week you increase by another 5 minutes. So slowly over the next 2 to 3 months, you should be able to walk at least 3 kilometers in a day without discomfort. So this is how that the people who come to us, we tell them, and go to good doctor and get yourself properly checked. Don't do कि क्या बोलते हैं WhatsApp university या Facebook university से ना जो भी knowledge मिलता है, don't try to do that. So all are young people, all very busy, very active people, full of stress, corporate competition जो बोलते हैं ना कि targets achieve करना है, ये achieve करना है, stress, and so basically no this thing. And to relieve stress, smoking, drinking, quickly, कुछ bite ले लो, no proper eating habits. So all this has led to this. We should know where to draw the line between work and this thing, because it is not only their health, ma'am. See, even if you see, because of these pressures, even their family life is also affected.
Right.
So much of corporate pressure, so much of want to achieve targets, but for what? And sometimes you don't realize that these targets you achieve and you this thing, but then for whom are you doing this? If you lose your family in the run, in the bargain, so what is the point in achieving all this? So
that is
good family life is, most important for, a healthy family, healthy society, healthy country in the whole, it's very, very, very important.
Yes. So thank you so much. You have really given such a nice information about the lifestyle diseases, and most importantly, you have also explained so well about why it is important to take care of it at the point when you are, because it is going to disturb everything in your life if you're not taking care of it on right time. So I hope that our viewers who have seen the program today will definitely take care of it and will make sure that modification in life is important if you are suffering from a lifestyle disease. We will be meeting
That
you
is
with,
why
yes,
such
sir.
programs, even 1%, 1% is improved now. Somebody's life is touched. When one person's life is touched, we are happy, that we could do something,
Right,
So
right.
that one
Our
person
objective will be achieved. Yes, even if one person's life is being changed because
2%.
of this program, our objective will be achieved. If you like the information, you can subscribe the channel and share with your friends. We'll meet again. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.